Hey guys, welcome to Master Programming Tips and Traps MFC programming series. In this video, let's talk about how to close a Windows application by double clicking on its title bar with your mouse. So generally, we close an application by clicking on the close button on the top right corner of the window or by clicking on the menu items like exit or by pressing some shortcut keys like Alt plus F4. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to close an Windows application by double clicking on its title bar with mouse. So let's get started. So to create a frame window in MFC, we need to derive a class from C framewind. So here I have created a class which is derived from C framewind, and we need to call create function inside the constructor of the derived class. And to host this window, I need to derive one class from CWinApp, which is the application class which will host the frame window in MFC. So this is my derived class of CWinApp. Inside that, I am writing init instance member function. So inside init instance, I am creating a frame window pointer and assigning this to m underscore p main window of member variable of CWinApp and calling the show window to display the window. Finally, I am creating one global application object. So I have described all these things in my previous video of MFC. So if you haven't watched those videos, I would suggest to watch those videos as well. So, and here I have listed few of the mouse messages in Windows application. So generally, Windows region can be classified as client area and non-client area. So non-client area is like menu bar, title bar, status bar, tool bar. All these things comes under non-client area, and client area is the area where user will be interacting with the application mostly by clicking on some controls which is available in the Windows application or by typing some text which is in the Windows application. So here I have listed few of the mouse messages in MFC. So these are the client area mouse messages on underscore WM underscore L button down will be generated whenever the user clicks left mouse button in the client area, and whenever the user double clicks in the client area, this message will be generated, and whenever the user release the mouse button, this message will be generated. So these are the few messages MFC generates whenever the client area interacts with the mouse, and these are the non-client area messages. So not to differentiate between client area and non-client area messages. So in client area messages, we don't have this NC. So NC stands for non-client area. So L button double click. So this is the non-client area message, and here we have L button double click. So the NC is to differentiate between client and non-client area messages. Since we are going to click on non-client area to close an application, then I need to handle this message in my application. So I have elaborated what is message maps in MFC in my previous video. Please go through that video if you haven't watched that video. On underscore WM underscore NC L button DBL click. DBL. And the appropriate handler for this message map macro is void on NC L button dbl clk, which takes two parameters. One is of unsigned integer ht, and other one is of point structure pt. So the first parameter, which is of unsigned integer, is used to identify where the user has hovered the mouse in the non-client area region. So here I am going to write one switch case, switch ht. So the user can hover the mouse anywhere in the non-client area. So I'm going with the switch case. So case ht caption. So here ht caption denotes the title bar of the window. So whenever the user double clicks on the title bar, I need to close the window. So I'm calling destroy window here. Destroy window. That's it. So we can talk more about these options in the upcoming video series. So I will build the solution. My build is succeeded and I will run the solution. So this is the title bar. So as I said before, I can close this window by clicking on the close button, but I am going to close this window by double clicking on this title bar. So the window has been closed. So I will execute the application once. So I'm double clicking on this title bar. The application is closed. So this is the simple program to close the window on double clicking on the title bar. So this is the event handler for the message map macro on underscore wm underscore l button double click, and this is how we create an instance of the class. Hey guys, if you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.